In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Shopify. Adding 2FA helps protect your Shopify account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password whenever you log in. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on your profile icon or initials in the top corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Next, go to the Security section. This is where you can manage your account protection settings and authentication methods. Now look for the option that says Turn on two-step authentication or Enable 2FA and click on it. Shopify will ask you to choose an authentication method. The most common option is using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code displayed on the Shopify screen. Once scanned, the app will generate a temporary verification code. Enter the verification code into Shopify and click Next or Confirm to complete the setup. After activation, Shopify may also provide backup or recovery codes. Make sure to save these in a secure location in case you lose access to your authentication device. From now on, every time you log into Shopify, you'll need both your password and the verification code generated by your Authenticator app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on Shopify. Thanks for watching.